Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope that you're all doing good.
The visa-free entry almost made it very easy for foreign nationals from EO408 countries to fly to the Philippines. Indeed, usually the burden is not in entering the country, but when they fly out of the country. I made this video for the benefit of foreign tourists and foreign nationals who plan to visit the Philippines, so they would know what to expect when they depart from the Philippines after enjoying their stay in the Philippines with the unequaled hospitality of the Filipinos in the beautiful islands of the Philippine archipelago. This video might also be helpful for foreign nationals who are already in the Philippines, whether immigrants or non-immigrants, but have no idea yet what would be required of them when they leave the country. This is important because based on the information that I got, a lot of foreign nationals were not able to leave the country on their departure date because of one missing requirement, the exit clearance. Officially, it is called the Immigration Clearance Certificate or ECC, who is required to have an ECC for the purpose of leaving the country. There are two types of ECC, the ECC-A, which is also referred to as the regular ECC, and the ECC-B. The following foreign nationals must secure an ECC-A prior to their departure: holders of temporary visitor visa, also referred to as tourist visa, who have stayed in the Philippines for 6 months or more; holders of expired or downgraded immigrant or non-immigrant visas; holders of valid immigrant or non-immigrant visas but are leaving for good; Philippine-born foreign nationals who will depart from the Philippines for the first time; holders of temporary visitor visa with orders to leave; and bona fide seafarers who have stayed in the Philippines for 30 days or more and has a duly approved discharge from the Bureau of Immigration. ECC-A is issued to departing foreign nationals to prove that they have no derogatory records in the country and have no pending obligations with the government at the time of the issuance. It may be secured at the main office of the Bureau of Immigration or in selected district offices, satellite offices, field offices, one-stop shop offices, and extension offices. ECCB, on the other hand, is issued to departing holders of immigrant and non-immigrant visas with valid ACR-I cards and are leaving the country temporarily. It is a single-use receipt issued to evidence their special return certificate or re-entry permit, which is valid for 1 year. It may be secured at the Bureau of Immigration's main office or in the airport upon departure. If you are certain with the date of your departure, I would suggest that you obtain your ECCB way ahead of your scheduled flight. And the good news is that you can now apply for your ECCB online through the Bureau of Immigration's e-services. I will put a link in the description box of this video. According to the Bureau of Immigration, a foreign national may apply for an ECC at least 72 hours prior to his or her departure from the Philippines. The ECC is valid for 1 month from the date of issue. However, you may only use this once regardless of its validity. That means your flight must be within 1 month from the date of issuance of your ECC and you cannot use it multiple times. For clarification, I want to emphasize that whether you are a holder of an immigrant or non-immigrant visa and you are leaving for good, what you need is the ECC-A. But if you are leaving with an intention to return, you need the ECC-B. Also, if you are a temporary visitor or a tourist and you have stayed in the Philippines for 6 months or more, you will need the ECC-A when you leave the country. But if you stayed for less than 6 months, you are not required to obtain an ECC at all. In that case, you will simply have to pay the exit clearance fee. If your date of departure is certain, this can be paid through one of the 5 BI regional offices. Otherwise, the exit fee can be paid at the airport upon your departure. And just a friendly advice, never lose the copy of your single-use receipt, which will serve as your special return certificate or re-entry permit when you return to the Philippines. And it would be better if you take a photo of it and keep a copy of it in your phone.
I hope that you have learned something from this video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.